Obviously. And Spanish Town crew.
They can tell the bartender that she can work that day there.
She has said you for just run off the bar cause last time you found over there you did style her.
Oh, my style her.
So you just barge in the bar halfway Ireland today and just fly around the country and go one bag of attitude.
You know, so that girl like could be a problem.
Kind of problem, sure.
And the problem and the fact that she like you.
Remember say you pray her for the first time you hear about her.
Remember say me a part owner of the business. I'm a come in at the bar, and my sister night I come down and I like the in at the bar. So what? I'm not ask if I like the in here.
Sure. I know what you're saying. Oh, you do it.
But wait. Oh, you are different home girl, sir. Me call my man phone and she answer as a bartender. Why a secretary?
How we reach back this, sure? We don't pass this a long time.
No. I want to know if you get permission to answer your phone. Or you lead her on, make sure you go answer.
You know what? Now I'm going to lead you on from the argument there. You know. You see where the argument go? You alone go down there. You know.
Oh. So just you no want to deal with it. You run from it. Well, need face her.
Sure, no bother with that. You hear me say no? Me will deal with her, sure.
You will deal with her? More ask you something. You should tell lie pan or me should tell lie pan? I want you to tell the lie in front of my face.
A story pants nest, you know. And that you want? You know, she says a business me I run.
Well, unless you say the girl don't like me, you come talk about what business you run. You know, she say a business me I run too. You know, she come like she come to look a man. A man she a look.
You know, me I try to avoid. I try to avoid a scene where people are looking and see two women fight over man. That's not good for business here.
Well, you know what you do for me? More you put a leash for your bartender girl and tell her say, don't call me name out her mouth. Oh, so she a call you?
It is them a call me, man. But me know no cheap things in them.
So, I what go on between you and them now? You know what? Me not get involved in a broke word thing.
And them a go up on a one ups and not even say nothing to me.
Operation? What kind of operation, Orlando?
Just bring some man to justice, you see me?
Justice? So you the one bring them to justice too? Now what? Justice League? So tell me something. You have a Superman and then him a Batman and Robin?
Remember you told me did I tell you about how that bar with the phone thing the other day? Same day when the bartender answer the phone, man. Him get locked down. Man, him two friend them. And you know so what the boy circle the block. And nobody not say nothing to me. And it is they know what go on.
So Orlando, why you the one them say something to you? Eh? You the one get yourself in a trouble?
So if somebody approve me to do me something, and my friend them know, and not say nothing to me. You don't feel me for pray my friend them too.
Why you never pray say them don't want you get yourself in a trouble? And the end of the day, them still tell you.
None of them tell me. I always tell me say the other day I'm forward from the block and when I drive up in spot the boy with on in a bag and thing. And then know say from them I go feel me if they die front tie line.
Orlando, I tell you say a business you deal with now. You have to leave the badness aside. Business we are focused on right now.
And no badness it name. I have to defend my 3 points.
So how you gonna defend it? But by the way, Or the lights of fire something I'll go.
All that too, you know, Sheriff. Maybe we can ask them people here too. Right time.
Fish.
I go on now.
One bitch.
Vicious.
That is it, you know?
Hi, Charnette.
Hello guys.
You know, so when I go live long though. Just call the name to you know.
You know, say that's where I promote though. Long life. Oh, but something good that call my name about.
You call my name?
No, you know. A long time I not even see you. I'm Melissa bring you come. When she take everything else.
Don't even call her name the two, yeah?
And you will come to talk to you, no fish. Forward on, son.
Miss Bissett, I something him do?
No, I know.
A minute of it.
So I go on Tony.
I'm going to share my day, man. You good?
I know nothing go on.
No, I know. But just come check in for you after the hurricane and thing. We just want to know if you're alright.
No damage are going on your side.
No, I know. Everything active, you know. I just seen on them part as a little shaking up you go on. So I decide to fix back the roof them and thing, you know.
I like the sound of that. Tell me, what going with you and it is then?
Nothing now go on.
It make a same call you. They don't answer your phone.
I whisper. Remember say I two business me doing, you know, bro. Me is a man who always busy, you know.